So next up, guys, got a nice dozer here. So this is a 2019 Deere 700K LGP, just under 8,000 hours. I think 79, 80 or so on it. It's got new undercarriage, good looking machine, 6-way blade, obviously. Joystick controls, cab, heat, air, radio. Kind of see, try to get the paint in it. Both sides, but paint's still in good shape yet. 6-way blade. Does have some sort of GPS screen on it, you'll see that. And I did turn it on there for the pictures. But I'm here with Pat, he'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Fires right up nice and easy. I think it's a hydrostatic transmission on these. Have pretty good light when I was picturing it. It seems like the sun keeps going behind clouds, but paint looks real good when you get it out in the sun. There comes the sun right there a little bit. So there's a quick little video, guys. Real good run dozer. So there's the demo. 2019 Deere 700K LGP. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 auctions.